to our video guide on the difference between single stage, dual stage, and modulating HVAC systems. When it comes to heating and cooling your home, you have several options. Hi, I'm Bobby Johnson, your trusted Golden Rule HVAC professional. Let's start by understanding each type of system. A single-stage furnace operates at full capacity whenever it's on. It provides a consistent heat level, but can be less energy efficient since it runs at maximum power, even on mild days. A two-stage furnace offers more flexibility. It can operate at a lower capacity on days when less heat is needed, which can result in greater energy savings. So which one is better? The answer depends on your specific needs and priorities. The benefits of a two-stage furnace include energy efficiency. It's more energy efficient, saving you money on utility bills. Improved comfort. It provides more even heating, eliminating temperature fluctuations. And reduced noise. It tends to run quieter, contributing to a quieter living environment. One potential drawback is the initial cost, as two-stage furnaces are generally more expensive to purchase and install. Now let's introduce modulating systems into the discussion. A modulating furnace is the most advanced option. It can adjust its output gradually, providing the most precise control over your home's temperature. The benefits of a modulating furnace are noteworthy. Exceptional efficiency. Modulating systems are highly energy efficient, reducing your energy consumption. Unmatched comfort. They deliver the most consistent and comfortable indoor temperatures. And ultra-quiet operation. Modulating furnaces operate quietly, enhancing your living environment. In conclusion, choosing between a single-stage, dual-stage, or modulating HVAC system depends on your budget, energy-saving goals, and your comfort preferences. While two-stage furnaces offer significant benefits, modulating systems provide the highest level of energy efficiency, comfort, and quiet operation. Before making a choice, consult with a qualified HVAC professional who can assess your home's requirements and recommend the most suitable system for your comfort and budget. For more information and expert advice, visit our website and get in touch with our team today. And thanks again for watching.